Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the Martin Yale perforating and scoring machine. So first off, these are the pieces that you're going to want before you get started. It's going to be these trays here, your print, an Allen key, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and remove these screws right here. And I've already started just to speed things up. So just take your Phillips head, and pop these guys off. Now that we have the back off, we're going to go ahead and take a closer look. So these rollers here with the rubber, this is what's going to feed your paper through. Let's see if we can focus better. There we go. This wheel right here is the Perf Wheel. This is another feed roller. Over here, this is your score wheel, and you've got one more feed roller right there. So in order to move these around, you take your Allen key, you go ahead and you just loosen these up a little bit. Once you loosen it up, you can slide them around and position them where needed. And once you have it in place, go ahead and tighten it back up. So since we're just doing a perforating job, we're just going to leave this off to the side here. If you don't see how to loosen each roller, you could go ahead and just turn the machine on and turn it off, and you could stop it, and now you have access to them. Coming around the other side, you're going to have these media grippers. So this is where you position your print piece. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab ours, and we're trying to perforate along this dotted line here. And so if we get down under, you can see that this is our perf wheel here. And so we're just going to kind of slide our piece in. We're really just going to kind of eyeball it, get it really close. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this outer guide closer, and we're just going to try to line it right up as close as we can. So I think that looks good. So we're just going to tighten this one here. Put our piece in, get the other guide nice and snug to it, tighten that down. You're going to want to make sure it's not going to slide around on you, because this is what's going to hold all your pieces in place, so that way your perf doesn't move. So that looks pretty good. Before we get started, we're going to attach the trays. So I'm going to take this one here, just goes into these two slots at an angle, sits down. And for the back, we're going to have to reattach this plate. Okay, now for demo purposes, I'm only going to snug these two. Normally you would do all four. But, so now you take your tray here, and that just drops in like that. Okay, so now we're going to test out our print. So we're going to go ahead and drop it in. And you could fill this thing up. I filled it up to about here. And if you just lightly press it against that piece right there inside, it'll just start pulling from the bottom and feeding through one at a time. So let's see how this works. And we are spot on just by eyeballing it. And you are left with a nice perfect. Turn it on, grab a stack, push it in. And it'll just start popping out.